This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Kenmore portable dishwasher that isn't draining. So we're going to go over how to cure that problem. So you can see it's full of water. So we have to just figure out why it's not able to get rid of the water. Should be pretty easy. So I'm going to press cancel again, try to get rid of more water. Yeah, it's doing better. I got a feeling there's something caught like right there where the water has to make that right angle turn. Unplug it. Take a look here. What we're doing. So these spray arms, it's good to look at while you have it open. See if there's any stuff caught in there. A little bit caught in there. Upper one. A little bit caught in there. We'll clean those up. So to get the upper one off, just twist this nut and it'll come right off. This one too, just twist the nut, comes off. Alright, here. Clean it. Looks pretty dirty. Let me do the cancel button. Flowing, but kind of anemic. That's better. So I think that did it. I think there's just something caught there in this wire. Had this wire up in there. I think I got rid of it. So that sounds empty sump. That means it's already drained out all the water. I'm just feeding this wire into the hole that goes down this bigger tube. That's the drain tube. I think that just allowed some junk to flow out of there. So we're going to go ahead and fill it with some more water. So we got it plugged in. I got the water all the way up to where it's touching the element. So that's the proper height. I'm going to see if we can get rid of all that water. Close it. Go, select cycle, start. Looks like it's getting rid of the water pretty fast now. So it's drained out all the water. We can hear that whirring sound is empty sump. It means the water has all been pushed out of the sump area down at the bottom, and it's just spinning air. So it did get rid of all the water, and looks good. We're going to just check those spray arms one more time to see if all those holes are open. Yeah, the lower one looks good. That makes a big, big difference in the machine's ability to clean the dishes. That looks good. Filter's clean, and we are good. So this is Kenmore, but I think this one's made by Whirlpool or KitchenAid. Here's the model number, 665.171. 59K, yeah, it's KitchenAid 217. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful to you. The main problem was on this machine an obstruction that was really right here, where this big tube carrying all this water has to go through a smaller hole. something got caught there. So right, so you can see it with the camera, right in there, it's a little hole. So I fed a wire in there to clean that out, and that should do the trick. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks again.